Uh, this is from Stuart again. Stuart writes, is there a reason Kawasaki chose rotors over wheel when it came time for the first Supercharged Ultra? I presume you're meaning a Rotor-Style versus a Centrifugal. Was it to individuate from...
Make it distinct.
Make it distinct from Sea-Doo and Yamaha, or was there some business partnership with Eaton? Yes and yes. Kawasaki already had existing relationships with Eaton in a variety of different outlets. Eaton does a lot more than just superchargers. And in developing a Rotor-Style supercharger, it also allowed for a less invasive or less dedicated casting for the engine block. And because it's simply an attachment, it's an accessory. It'd be like an alternator or a power steering pump. And because that Rotor-Style supercharger is not directly feeding into the engine, but is mounted alongside the engine and it is driven by a pulley, it allows them to have an identical engine block from the naturally aspirated to supercharged. Then it also allows a Eaton supercharger to be easily removed, even though anyone who has had to remove a supercharger will say it's anything but easy. It's not easy. But to that effect, the Rotor-Style supercharger is demonstrably heavier than a centrifugal supercharger. Yet another addition of weight. It produces extraordinarily more boost than a centrifugal supercharger. That's the other thing. And for example, the base boost levels of a Kawasaki is 16.4. The base supercharged levels of a Sea-Doo is just over 8. Yeah. This is PSI. And Yamaha is less than that.
Yeah.
So
it's really working. Yeah. It's very understressed.
Yeah. So there's a lot of give and take on that relationship. I'm not saying one's better than the other, because again, it's like, hey, listen, the HKS supercharger on the Yamaha only produces 6.5 PSI at 8,000 RPM, when the Cowie is producing 16.5 at 8,000 RPM. But then the HKS supercharger is a fraction of the weight and the fraction of the reciprocating mass as the Rotor-Style supercharger. So you're like, which one, which devil do I want to get into bed with?
Choose your poison.
Yeah. Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.